wow. Did you see that? Did you see that, Cat Cam?
What happened?
Did you see that? Hold on. Hold on. This is... Can somebody type in... Can somebody see the uptime on that? Because he was bringing his card up, and whenever he brought his card up, I clicked it, and I saw that he had the coin. Like, I literally saw what card he had. No, I'm fucking serious. Like, he had his card hovering like this, you know? And I clicked it, and it showed me what the card was.
Nuh-uh.
I swear to God, it just happened. Is there anybody... Can somebody make a highlight on that?
Alright, 3 hours, 6 minutes, and 38 seconds.